Awesome. I just received my board from Cyber Bros. So let's open it up and see what we got. So I'm not really sure if this is two orders that they combined into one for me, because I did order something like the very next day after I placed my order because they had some boards that went on sale. But so let me open this up and see what this is real quick. Awesome. So it's got the, I'm really glad that they included the ESP32 cam, because all the ones that I've been buying have been giving me trouble or not working properly, other than the purple ones that I got recently. But Mr. Cyber Bros reached out to me and said that he was having some problems with the purple one, so I don't know. Hopefully this will work better. But it's awesome that it came with the NRF24 chip. Came with the ESP32 cam. You got the lovely little board right here. It's a fantastic board. It comes with the female headers and the right angle pins. We got the 10 UF capacitor to keep the power steady while the board's in use. Alright, so there's that one. And now let's see what's in this that was shoved inside of it there for me. Probably the rest of my order. Let's see. Ooh-wee, yep. So the other two boards I ordered are right here. One of them I got for $10 because I think it was, I don't even remember, was it $10 or was it free? I can't even remember. It was a great deal, whatever it was, because one of them had like a misprint on it or something. I don't know. I don't even see anything wrong with these, but with any of them, I don't think. I probably have to really stare at it to figure it out. Well, maybe it's this. Oh, I think it might be this right here. That looks a little different than it does over here. Oh wait, no, that's backwards. Durr. Okay, well still, yeah, that might be it. There's a little bit of printing on there that, oh yeah, prototype. Yeah, it says right there. That's a little bit different. Oh yeah, some misprint right there. Yeah, really no big deal. I mean, that wouldn't even have bothered me, honestly. So, and then I've got this here. Let me open this up real quick. Okay, so now that it's out of the wrapping, this is my other kit that I bought. So I bought two complete kits and then an extra board. This right here is the C1101 by Rabbit Labs. It's like the only place I know of that where you can get, it's only 900 megahertz antenna piece that I've really been able to find at all, and it's at a pretty decent price from Rabbit Labs. It works great from what I hear, so I really like that it's got the SMA connection directly on the board. That's just not something you see on those other ones. It's really cool. Actually, I think the other ones do have, I don't know. Either way, it's cool. This board, I don't see any imperfections with it or anything. But you might be asking me, why the hell did you buy so many of them? Well, I had bought the first one at the regular price of like $50 for the full kit. And then when I bought the kit, it had an option to get an extra board just by itself for like, I don't know if it was free or $10. It was ridiculously cheap either way. And then, like the very next day after I ordered my board, my kit, I got a notice saying that he was selling the last 10 he had, the last 10 kits he had of this version of the Mayhem board for like $13 for the kit. So, you know, I had to get another one of those. And I figured, what the heck, you know, I love projects like this. I love soldering stuff together. It just, you know, it's very peaceful for me. So I figured once I get these completed and working, then maybe I'll have a drawing on the channel or something. I don't know, and give it away to somebody who really needs it. So, or if nobody needs it, I can't be a good Samaritan, then maybe I'll sell it. I don't know. But It was definitely worth spending the $13 to get the extra kit. I'm very happy with all this. So just to be clear, this is everything that comes in a kit right over here. Alright, you got the ESP32 cam, you got the circuit board, you got the NRF24, everything you need right there, along with the capacitor and everything. Honestly, I have like everything except for the board. I probably could have just made it out of spare parts, but I'd rather do it the way that they do it, so that way if I have any problems, I know that it's not just the cheap hardware that I was using. And then this is the other kit here, minus the C1101. Yeah, so stoked I got this, and now it's time to start building. Well, I just want to give a shout out to Cyber Bros for giving us well, at least those of us that were paying attention, a massive opportunity to order your boards at a discounted rate and see what they're all about. So thanks for that.